Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will make video tutorial about how to make effect parallax in CapCut. So first you can open your CapCut and then you can put all of the assets, yes, to there. I is only for using for asset. First is the guy who's sitting, that is silhouette, then sun, uh, orange sky, and then what orange? Cloud, yes, bro, cloud. I think I will edit first. Yes, so you can go to image adjust and chroma key. Kalau chroma key, kalau quicker you can choose this strength. Hmm, yeah, we can do this. Yes. This. Yes, like this. Okay, first maybe you can put the sky as a sky red. You change the ratio to me 16 full screen, then put the keycaps this in front, yeah, in front. So and about the clouds, you can make it bigger and then duplicate. Then if you can do this, try to mirror. Yep. Okay. So oh wait. This up. Yes. Then after that, you can which position is wait. When you're position, don't forget to use the key caption. That and then this uh, position again, key caps again. That's then you can put it sun. The sun is actually was here. Wait. And you can put down outside of these things first. And in keycaps again. But wait, I won't put it there. There you can see it there. So happen there's the movement. So you can do this after like so many seconds. You can boom, zoom it, and then this for for the cloud you can move to down. This you can move to down again and about sun can yeah simple Parralax zoom. Then about the and then about the ini the cloud is sun, but I don't know. This simple. This sun, then we gonna make the wait. I will this maybe check it 1%, and then this here we can try it. One here, then this we got to be again here, and then this one is bigger again here, then up again, and then at this at the guy who's sitting there. Ah, so before we can kick out this guy. So before this guy was now kick out, then when already in here, can try. Then this is the simple Parralax. Yes, and yeah, I know this guy was do that. Then next again, we can make it longer again, longer until 16. Then yes, I will take it to bigger. Something here, but here, yeah. Then about it gone, you gone. Then for the sun, yeah, bigger here. Then about this, the scale. No, about the background. Yep, and you can see the result is yeah, sun go up, and then you can go down. Yeah, that's a simple problem. Like, if you know, it's the 8 minutes, so we can do the parallax and the other. So first, you can put it asset. Yeah, asset. I really prefer for the video, but yeah, the video before was error. I used to video under this again, then put the cloud. Yeah, so I make this. There's the guy who's sitting, and then there's a sun, there's a sky, orange sky, and then there's a cloud. So then next is we are doing a blending into the what to the cloud in chroma key. So we already do. Then continue again. Next we replace. Then there's the sky. We replace it, and then we put a what keycaps. Yes. And next is continue again. We will two of the cloud. Yeah, we position and then we put the keycaps again too. And there is the sun. Yep, the sun. First we put on the ground. Then after we put on the ground, yeah, we do keycaps again. Then we reposition the keycaps here. Yeah, we already do keycaps. this maybe the little result can spread. Then next is so we explore again and we do keycaps again. So I see it's going to be little and it's going to be little again. I will make it bigger the sun and I put the guy in there and make it little and then I put the keycaps again down. Then we longer and longer. So this so this almost done. But before I make the video was out. I don't know why. Then it's yes, I make bigger and bigger. Yep, and we have a reposition with some. With the ideal reposition. Yep, this yeah. Then I know it's kind of boring. I'm seeing this. Not doing anything. So I gonna continue to edit. So yeah, for the time it's gonna be a little something here and to be river, yeah, the sun in little and people here and the clouds come back to here little this little again come back to there. Move over. I will move the counter here. And this I will make it. Yep. Then so you can see the result. Yes, it's the guy here. You can see the sun and the cloud that comes out. It's like simple, but confusing. Yeah, I know it's here for playlist. Yeah. So wait, I will see the time first. It's 5 minutes. What do you think? We're gonna end this already for this. And then about the maybe we can do the other things. Yeah, you know how to use green screen. So maybe I will put it first like this. This green screen. Yeah, how to use it like this is perfect. You try to download first. Subscribe. Wait. It's kind of similar with the cloud when using cutout. Yeah, it's just a green screen, but it's not green. It's white screen. You know this animated. Subscribe. I know. Pretty. Ooh, I think the chroma key, the clickers, the color. Right. So yeah, and then maybe the speed can we make it to be faster. Yep. Then subscribe button you can put it down. Yeah, no, I'm up. Make it bigger first. And subscribe. Now, what is this? Yeah, is simple thing can do. Uh, Only like that. We can add an extra things. Like I will, yeah, be I will think of that. The next, like, then for we can make it to be longer again. 13, then the man gone the other way, then sun gone, cloud bigger, is cloud bigger too, different. That's the subscribe, and yes, and then you can see this. Yeah, sorry about talking about now. I don't know how. Yeah, that's the time again. It's 8 minutes. What you're gonna do right in this video? I don't know. Maybe I can put error videos. Yeah, okay. So maybe that's all from the tutorial video. So if there's mistake, that's why there's some